Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I have a quick little project share for you guys. I was inspired by Anna, Serenity Creations on YouTube, and also my BFF Erica had shared something recently and made me want to create this project. So I took out my tool, these tool in a spool here. These are from Hobby Lobby. I had gotten them a while back and some of them even went on clearance, and I got this one right here. And I saw my BFF Erica share these cute little tool pom-poms, so I had to make some. Now she didn't make hers, she got hers from AliExpress, but I've seen these around for a while. I know people had started making these like years ago, but I've never given it a try. So, but the one that Erica shared was super cute. I just loved it, so I had to try it. And so I went ahead and used my tiny pom-pom maker and basically just made a pom-pom just like you would with yarn. And then I also put some beads on this one right here and just attached it to these clasps from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. So super cute, right? And those wooden beads are from Amazon. I've shared them before with you guys, and I just painted some of them. Okay, so and then I got these enabled by Jen, who is Strawberry Cream 39, and she had bought some from, I think, Michael's, but then I found these on Amazon and I think they're about the same size, and it came in, I think, 6 strands, and this is how they look like. And it's just a rainbow of colors, and I guess this is a in thing now. You can make bracelets out of them, but what I wanted to do was create some beaded charms and then use these coiled. These are also popular, and I also got these from Amazon. Anna shared these on her one of her recent videos, and she had made some keychains, I think, or she did a tutorial, and I had to give it a go because it's just super duper cute. And I'll leave Anna's link in the description box so you guys can check it out, because like I said, she did do a really quick tutorial, but I did have a little bit of difficulty because of the wire I was using. Even when I made these beads, beaded dangles here, one of you guys wanted me to do a tutorial, but until I get some really good wire, I can't do a tutorial right now. But I'm sure there's a tutorial out there on how to make wired wrapped bead charms or dangles. And I actually learned how to do that from Tara, who is Nurse Tara, on YouTube. So as you can see here, I just did several different colors. And look at this one right here, you guys. I even added a tassel on the bottom, and that heart bead is from Michael's, and I actually put 2 pins, what do you call them, head pins, on top and on the bottom of that heart. And then that one I might just do a tutorial on if you guys want me to. But it was super cute and easy. This clasp one, I only made one with this clasp here from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. But these were just so fun to make, you guys. And seriously, it was really easy to make, except for I did have a hard time because of the wire I was using. I didn't have any artistic wire, or anyway, the kind of finish that I wanted, the color that I wanted. So I had to use my, what is it called, memory wire, and oh boy, that is not very pliable. So that's why I was complaining that my hands were sore the last time I did some wire wrapping with these beads. But they came out so cute, you guys. You guys have to give this a try because it is so cute and so fun. And these don't have to just be for Valentine's Day. You know, you can gift them to your friends when you do your swaps. So they're just so much fun to make. And I don't know who started making these coiled hearts, but they're just so super cute. I think Anna mentions it on her channel. So anyway, that is my project share for today. I hope you guys got some ideas, and I hope you guys give it a try because it's really fun. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, you guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye.